for the research. And particularly in this sector, the eye sector, the research is very, very important. Because when I was governor of one of the states of the country, I started, you see, a problem of macular degeneration. And he was the first man that you must go immediately and get it. That time it was PDT. Now the PDT is not available, but just injection. So it was long, so 13 years back that treatment was available. But during the course of time, many changes have taken place. And I also wanted to test myself during all, you see, very important doctors of the world, you see, whether a macular degeneration man, age-related macular degeneration man can read without glasses. And I wanted to make myself, you see, confident that I can read. And I think the confidence that created by Dr. Natarajan in me, that proves that his research work that has helped the patient to have confidence. I think, doctor, you must continue with your research work and give more and more, you see, good treatment to the patients, and in the world of this eye clinic. I once again congratulate Dr. Gyan Prakash, who has not forgotten the Indian culture, though he is staying in the US land, but you see, the culture of Banaras that he had mentioned. I think the Ganges of India are very pious, and with the blessing of Ganges, he has reached to this stage, and I pray, see God, to have more and more achievement in his life. Thank you. Jai Hind.
One more information. Actually, our minister has laid the foundation for L.V. Prasad when they started in '87.
Thank you, sir. I think very kind words, and a heartfelt thank you to you for all your support. You've always been there for us. So thank you very much, sir. So this was a very short and a short program focusing on the family of Aditya Jyot. I think you may have got a glimpse of what we are all about. I would like to invite all of you, and most of you I think have visited us, and for those who haven't, I would like to extend a very warm invitation to you to visit our hospital in Mumbai whenever you're flying through. I would now like to request Dr. Sunita Mohan, consultant with the Aditya Jyot Foundation, to give the formal vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. Honorable Home Minister of India, Shri Sushil Kumar Shinde ji, Dr. Paul Sieving, Director NEI USA, Dr. Gyan Prakash, Associate Director NEI USA, our valued guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. First of all, on behalf of Aditya Jyot Eye Hospital, I would like to profusely thank to the Honorable Home Minister for making it convenient to grace us with his presence on this occasion. A very big thank you to Dr. Gyan Prakash for his genuine efforts towards promoting ocular research and health in developing Asian countries. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to Dr. Paul Sieving for his tireless efforts in encouraging health and research promoting collaborations between US and the developing countries. So, we are all inspired by your words. I would like to also thank the family members of Dr. Gyan Prakash for being here and making this a very special moment of celebration for him. श्रीमती कंचन लता श्रीवास्तव जी, आपका यहाँ पर आने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. So, and I would also like to thank the valued guests present over here for being here and helping us with this endowment and making this a very special moment for Dr. Gyan Prakash. I'm also very grateful to Dr. Rajiv Mohan for his support, and I would also like to acknowledge our gratitude to Dr. R.V. Azad for his support and guidance. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to Dr. Radhika Krishnan, Dr. Kumar Ramanikowal, Mr. Iqbal Ahmed for their exhaustive efforts which has made this event happen. Once again, Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde ji, ladies, gentlemen, I want to state that we are all most very grateful to you for having been present on this occasion and making it happen. Thanks. It has been a great pleasure.
May I request all assembled to please stand for the national anthem. We will be singing the national anthem.
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you.
There is a Indo-American
I would like to request you all to join us for dinner.
National Institute of Government of India. So, Mr. You can remove the plates, no? He was a pastor in All India Assembly of the election. Welcome.
His date of birth and mine is the same, 4th September.
Revati will be on the evidence. They are from Tamil Nadu in Delhi. छोटी सी
सॉरी अच्छा ये स्क्रोल और इसका जरा एक अच्छा फोटो ले लीजिए.